Hello everyone, my name is Dunga, and in this short video, let's understand how InstallShield can help you install third-party apps from Windows Package Manager. Before we get into InstallShield, let's understand what Windows Package Manager is. Microsoft has introduced Windows Package Manager as an easy, simple command line utility to get third-party apps installed onto your Windows operating system using a simple utility called winget. Let us understand how this works. An ISV or a developer, once their application is ready, they publish the app to Windows Package Manager. And when the package is published to Windows Package Manager, using a simple winget command, it gets installed onto the end user's machine. The end users need not really care about the type of the software installer, whether it is an MSIX file, whether it is a setup.exe, whether it is an installer. All of that is taken care by the winget. Let's understand how InstallShield can help you install apps from Windows Package Manager using our prerequisite editor. So InstallShield can help you create a prerequisite which can pull packages from Windows Package Manager. In order to do this, launch your InstallShield IDE, navigate to Tools, Prerequisite Editor, and create a new prerequisite. So in the prerequisite editor, you would have a new tab called Windows Package Manager, and you would give your package name in this option of package ID. Either you can choose to select the latest version, or you can give a specific version if you are aware of the version. Let us see how you can add a prerequisite into your basic MSI project. In this example, let's try to install Firefox from Windows Package Manager. Before we install, let's see if the machine actually has Firefox installed. There is no Firefox installed, and let's create a basic MSI project. Let's add any file here. And then let's go to redistributables view, and then I have already created a prerequisite called Mozilla Firefox. Let's edit the prerequisite to see the settings. So you'll see that all the settings I've given here is installed from Windows Package Manager. The package ID is mozilla.firefox for Firefox, and I want to install the latest version. All I need to do is select this prerequisite and build the installer. Once I build the installer, let's install the setup. You would see the prerequisite dialog has Mozilla Firefox as a requirement, which is pending. Now let's install this. Now the prerequisite is installed. Let us see if Firefox is actually installed in this machine. So now see that Firefox is now installed via Windows Package Manager. This is how InstallShield can help you install third-party apps from Windows Package Manager. Thank you.